madalas binabanggit sa'yo ng client mo? Or are they being honest sa pagbibigay ng details when you draw or design?
Alam mo, ito, pag client kita, alam mo agad ang sagot ko dito. Balcony, roof deck. Yan.
Ayan.
Yang dalawang yan, ang pinaka magastos na hindi kailangan ng karamihan. Pagdating sa balcony kasi, ang kalaban mo dyan is yung weather. Both the sun and the rain. So I ask my clients all of the time, okay, you want a balcony or a roof deck? This is my question. I'll give you the balcony or the roof deck naman. First is, how often would you be using the balcony as intended, ha? Kasi most of the time, the balcony or the roof deck, people wants it to become a events place, a party place, a personal area for family, for friends na intimately dun lang magpa-party, kakaraoke tayo, iinom, ganon. Or for balconies naman na extended, they would want it to become a coffee area, a coffee nook for the husband and wife or for the family. So I would ask them, how often would you be using that? And if you tell me na every birthday mo lang, birthday lang ni ganito, I would discourage you because the amount of the construction for that particular areas is not cheap. You're actually building a second floor or third floor or fourth floor already. Yung area na yun would be taking up a lot of your budget.
Yes.
Plus, at the same time, it doesn't stop there kasi when it comes to balconies and roof decks. These are the items na talagang malaki yung maintenance eh. High maintenance to. Waterproofing. For the waterproofing kasi kung magaling yung nag-construct for you, safe ka kahit papano.
Yeah.
Pero kung kunwari, medyo putyo-putyo yung pagkakagawa ng waterproofing, konting yanig lang ng earthquake, magbe-break yun, maistorbo yung waterproofing, there's gonna be leaks everywhere. So, sayang ang tiles ng roof deck, ng balcony, sayang ang ceiling downstairs, sayang yung matatamaan na kung ano pang mga gamit downstairs. So, that would be expensive if wala kang pang maintenance every year.
Yeah.
Diba? So, those are the things na kung hindi mo kailangan, eliminate.